So in times when the external world, there's so many different energies floating around. There's a great energy of fear, overwhelm, anxiety, mistrust, manipulation, chaos. So these energies are around us. Many times when we are feeling the similar things, worry, anxiety, fear, it's a good question to ask, is it mine or am I picking it up? So when it comes to energy, we cannot box ourselves in, right? Energy goes everywhere. It goes around and round and round. So we all get affected by energy. So it is important. We are energetic beings. We are actually energetically very sensitive, but we are not aware of that fact. So we chalk it out to something else. I know for myself, I'm a highly sensitive person. I'm very sensitive to energy. So I have to consciously protect my energy. How do we protect our energy? It's just an intention. You can simply picture a white light around you. As I'm saying that, I'm getting goosebumps. Put like a circle of white light around you and feel the warmth and love of that energy and feel the protection of that energy. As you feel that light, it expands. Set that intention that nothing negative comes in. Only thing that comes in that lines up with you. So herein lies the tricky part. If the within is not of higher vibration, it's going to attract the same in the external world. So yes, we should protect our energy, and I do that with the method I just shared with you, but the real protection is changing the inner vibration. So if my vibe is high, the other lower vibration energy is not a match. I may see it, feel it, but I just quickly move away from it because it's not lining up with me. So the biggest protection is raising the inner vibration. So tune into how are you feeling from moment to moment, day to day. Tune into what your day is filled with. What are you doing? Are you doing joyous, exciting, wonderful, happy things, or are you drowned in negativity? So tune into that. So this awareness is wonderful. Is actually the key in setting up the process for your inner healing. I'm offering a course this summer in July 19th and July 26th. It's called 6 Steps to Emotional Freedom. 2 sessions, 2.5 hours each time. Tuesdays, we start at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to put the link here. Click the link, get the details, and I hope you will join me in the course. My book, Wake Up and Heal, 6 Steps to Emotional Freedom, is an accompaniment, is a resource. The course is transformational. You can't just read the book. If we could all read the book and transform our lives, wow, wouldn't that be wonderful? But that's hardly the case. Most of us need hand-holding. We need experiences. We need guidance in order for us to transform. So that's what the course will provide. Click the link, and I really hope that you jump in on the opportunity, and I can't wait to see you there.